Let me tell you guys, I wish you were here to have a taste. Look at this. Welcome everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today let's make jollof rice. The simplest jollof rice you will ever come across. The first thing we're going to do, we will wash our tomatoes and paprika and onions. We boil them together. After we've boiled them, we will blend it, and that's it for the first part. I'm just boiling the tomatoes, the paprika and the onions. Boil this together, let it cool and blend. That gives us our tomato mix. So guys, you can skip this. This step is actually optional. So you can just wash your tomatoes, onions, paprika and blend without boiling. But I like doing this. It makes my jollof rice taste different. So give it a try. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. My tomatoes is ready. I'll let it cool and then blend. Look at this, guys. Look at this. We let it cool and we blend it. Guys, I thought I was recording when I was preparing the chicken, but unfortunately my camera went off. So basically this is just chicken that I'm boiling because I need the stock to prepare the jollof rice. This is chicken. We need this stock for our jollof rice. It is also optional. So I'm going to do another video where I will not use the chicken stock and I won't boil the tomatoes. The jollof rice will still turn out so nice. So please consider subscribing for the latest updates on another video on jollof rice without chicken stock and without boiled tomato mix. So you leave it to cook. Here is our tomato mix. I've added ginger and garlic to it. I'm just going to blend it now. I'm just going to blend it now. Our tomato mix is ready, guys. Look at this. Just look at this. Looking so nice. The next thing we are going to do is we are going to fry our onions, tomato paste and the tomato mix. What is jollof rice without tomato paste, guys? Yeah, we just have to fry the tomatoes, the onions, the tomato paste and the tomato mix. So we have it here: onion, tomato paste and the tomato mix. Frying our tomato paste and onions together. Can you see that, guys? Just look at this. Our tomato paste is almost getting ready, separating from each other. That's how you know that the tomato paste is ready. Our tomato mix. And stir. Give that a good stir. Let's check the tomato mix. Give it a good stir. Look at this, so nice. Our tomato mix is ready. How do you know? When the oil is on top of the tomato mix. That shows your tomato mix is ready. So give it a good stir. What we are going to do is to add our seasoning. Add the seasoning of your choice. Just season your jollof rice the way you want it to taste. I'm going in here with curry, some cubes, with salt. This is my seasoning. Another seasoning. This is jollof seasoning. So I added crayfish. This is my crayfish. You add it and you give it a good stir. Guys, the aroma is giving, like, it's giving 100 minus nothing. The aroma is giving 100 minus nothing. That is. The next thing we are going to do, we let it cook like for 1 minute and we add in our rice. At this point, just add in the rice and fry the rice together with the tomato mix. The rice, we are going to fry it. Fry the rice with the tomato mix. Do not add in water at this point. concentrate on frying. Frying is a game changer. It will make your rice not to stick onto each other. So fry for about 3 minutes. Then we add in the chicken stock and give it a good stir. Let's check the rice. After 5 to 8 minutes, we check our rice and we give it another good stir. Let it cook on medium heat. Let's check our rice. After, guys, look at this. Oh, look at this. Give it another good stir. Give it a good stir. We add in our chopped carrot, green beans, peas, and sweet corn. We cover it. And let it cook. Yeah? Try out these recipes and let me know in the comment section how it went. Look at this. Just look at this. Look at the color of this rice. Our rice is ready.